if you spent any time in any lobby or watching any streamer or spent any time on any social media platforms, you know this. AI generated content is everywhere. There is hate speech everywhere. There are misperceptions about our community everywhere. And so coming to a workshop is going to help you fight back against the rising tide of the enshittification of online and gaming. So we are in we're in a very odd time when it comes to AI in any media, but I've been particularly interested in how generative AI is intersecting the gaming industry. And there's sort of this interesting thing happening. First of all, I do consider myself a gamer, although I'm very much a casual. My KD ratio in Call of Duty is over one. I will not elaborate upon that. But I've sort of watched the conversation around AI and gaming evolve over the past several years. And you have this one camp of people that is basically like, oh, these gaming companies that, only care about money or whatever are going to just start replacing like really great designers who've been working forever with AI, and it's going to make games worse. They'll lose their humanity. And then you have this sort of other group that is like, this is good because those gaming companies are actually too woke. And so all the designers need to be replaced, and let's have AI do everything. And I'm not saying one side is any better than the other, but it is interesting watching AI intersect here because, as you have seen, the capabilities of AI to create really, really good plausible video are going up. I have seen some very bad examples of AI video games online, but it's not out of the realm of the possibility that they could be, miles ahead of where they are in like a year. So when you think about those two camps, of AI and gaming, where do you fall on that? And do you consider yourself a gamer? And also, what's your KD ratio?
Oh my God, you got to define KD ratio for me. That's where I am. That's where I fall on the spectrum. So no, I am not.
Kill death ratio. Okay, it's your
Yeah, yeah.
kills versus your deaths in Call of Duty and
Oh,
other
so my
games.
kills versus my deaths would be 0 versus like 40. So what I am as a gamer is somebody that gets